But ye shall be named the priests of the Lord, the go-between between God and sinners, for the purpose of developing them and getting them out of the captivity of sin. That's what salvation is about. So you should be called the priests of the Lord. Men shall call you the ministers of our God. Okay? People in government don't understand they're ministers, they're servants. They're not Adolf Hitler. They're a servant. We call them civil servants, but they don't seem to get that picture. They're not supposed to be lining their pockets with money. They're supposed to be moving things out of your way so that you can prosper. That's a switch, isn't it? And it says, "You shall eat the riches of the Gentiles, and in their glory shall ye boast yourselves." Every time you see people talk about the riches of the Gentiles are laid up for the righteous and all these things, and what this says right here, you'll eat the... I get a kick because people see dollar signs, and it has nothing to do with that. It has to do with who that person is. We get the benefit of that, okay? I don't want Bill Gates's money. I want Bill Gates, okay? Oh, do you think he has talent to get him where he got? Do you think that talent channeled correctly would be useful to the kingdom of God? That's what it talks about. We're going to eat their riches, and their glory shall ye boast yourselves. You're going to be proud of your children, people that you led to the Lord, and then the Lord developed them into what he wants them to be, and you can't say you did it, but you can say, I helped.